Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheet. Then next we're going to click on View. Then next we're going to click on Freeze. Then you guys could select up to what row you want to freeze or up to what columns you want to freeze. You guys could select multiple rows or columns. So when you scroll it from left to right, as you can see, it's already freezed. You guys could do the same with the rows as well, up to rows 14. Or you guys could do it up to rows 12 as well. So when you drag it up and down, as you can see, it's already freezed. So this helps on many types of presentations to see different data sets. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.